Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. If you're wondering why Appa is using a gas stove today, make sure you watch the whole video and Appa will explain why. And Rinnai is the #1 kitchen appliances brand in Japan, and they are celebrating their 100 years anniversary this year with the message, connecting with passions for the next 100 years. Without further ado, let's start cooking today. So Appa is going to cook Hakka deep fried pork belly today, 客家炸肉. Okay, these are the ingredients, and don't worry, I will put the ingredient details inside the description later. Okay, so this is approximately 300 to 400 grams of pork belly, the skin. Yeah, remove the skin. You can get the butcher to remove for you. Then we need this. This dish is very simple. Marinate the meat, deep fry. That's all. Very simple. So what do you need with the marination? This is approximately 1 piece of red fermented bean curd together with some of the juices. Sauce, yeah. This is about half teaspoon of 5 spice powder. You will need a little bit of oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine. This is a little bit of fish sauce, a bit of salt, a bit of sugar, a bit of few dashes of white pepper, and also cornstarch. So after you've mixed the marination like this, if it's too dry, you can add a little bit of egg inside. If it's something like this, I think it's good enough. So just put in the pork, and make sure it is nicely covered. Also, you can put a little bit of cornstarch right now. About 1 teaspoon. This will help the marination to stick better onto your pork belly. So right after this, all you need to do is just to cover this with a cling wrap and put it inside your fridge to marinate for 2 to 3 hours. Then at least minimum 30 minutes before you want to deep fry, take it out. So this is after about 2.5 hours in the fridge. Take it out, leave it go back to the room temperature. Prepare some tapioca starch, or you can also use cornstarch. And a separate plate at the side. What you want to do is to coat nicely. Let it rest on the plate for a couple of minutes. Then the coating will taste better. Okay, so we are going to use a medium heated oil to deep fry our pork, and we are going to do a double fry. So why is it Appa actually uses a gas hob today? Because my electric hob has a little bit of problem recently, but luckily Rinnai come to the rescue and lent me this Flexi Hob. So why is it this Flexi Hob managed to help me this round? Because Flexi Hob's main feature is actually the flexible cutout size, which actually allows the hob to fit into a wide range of kitchen top cutout hole. And Appa can actually fit this particular hob into the existing cutout hole, but Appa actually has an oven at the bottom blocking. So that's why Appa has to place the hob on top of the kitchen top instead because Flexi Hob has a rubber leg attached at the bottom, which makes it easier without cutting a new hole or modify existing kitchen top. So this is how he actually managed to help me, yeah? By the way, I know some of you, when you're using gas hob, you will use what they call a gas hob windshield, right? But try not to use that. If you use that, it can actually cause the glass on top to break. So don't use it. Appa hasn't been using a gas hob for a long time, but seriously, I must say I like it because unlike the electric hob, I can see the fire physically. So you are more sure, you're more certain on whether or not how big the fire you are using. Alright, this after about 5-6 minutes. You can see the pork belly is beautifully done now. Right now, I'm going to take it out to the side, and I'm going to do double fry to give it extra crispiness outside. So this is on high heat right now. Just going to very carefully put in. Okay, I actually don't have to use this. This is easier. The size not very ngam. Okay, just for a few seconds. Good enough. Okay, after you deep fry, let it rest for a couple of minutes. Then you will have this. Let's see how crispy it is. Can you hear it? Oh. Okay, so here's our very crispy Hakka pork belly today. I hope you like this particular video. If you want to know more details on this Rinnai Flexi Hob, you can actually, I will leave all the description, all the details in the description. You can just go there and have a look. Okay, so if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel.